guys, we're doing the next part on your 10.2 homework. I'm going to do this next section, numbers 9 through 12. So here are your two examples. The evens are what I'm using for examples, and you have to do the odds. So the directions say draw an angle with the given measure in standard position. Okay, so we're going to count up our angles. First of all, if it's a negative, which direction do I rotate? Okay, remember this is 0. I start here at 0, and I need to go down. Down means negative for an angle, okay? If you start out going, so this is clockwise, is going to be a negative angle. Here we go. We're just going to start drawing and counting as we go. Okay, as I draw from here to here, I've got how far? 90 degrees. Let's keep going. Now I've gone halfway around is 180. Keep going. 3/4 of the way is going to be 270. I just need more. Keep going. This is 360, but in a negative direction. So I'm up to negative 360. Not high enough. Keep going. Negative, what am I up to? 450. Keep going. Negative, what is this? 540. How am I getting those numbers? I'm adding 90 every time because each quadrant is worth 90 degrees. Okay, so what was I up to? 540. Okay, let's keep going. This is going to be negative 630. Okay, so right here was negative 540, and now I've drawn the negative 630. I've gone too far, right? It's going to be somewhere between 540 and 630. So let's back off a little, and let's determine where that is. Okay, we don't need to be perfect, but we should be pretty close. Meaning, is 615 going to be closer to 540 or closer to 630? Well, obviously, it's closer to 630, right? So I better not see an angle drawn close to 540. It should be drawn closer to 630, and that angle of rotation needs to show that that is where I stopped. So you draw the rotation starting at 0 that you went around and around until you stopped right there. Then we draw the actual angle. That is the actual angle that measures negative 615. This just shows the rotation that gets me there. Okay, so let's try the next one, 290. All right, in order to do 290, we're going in a positive direction. So we're going to start here and go upward because we're going positive. And we just start counting. Here we go. 90, 180, 270. If I keep going, I'm going to hit 360. That's too much. Okay, so if this is 270 and this is 360 and I want 290, then I better show that I'm what? Closer to 270 than 360. So my angle's going to be closer to 270. Finish that angle rotation, and it gets this tiny little arrow showing, hey, I start here, I go this direction up to that point. And that's how you draw an angle in standard position.